Malus pumila, from the Latin word mal, or bad or evil. Don't look so bad to me. Today's video is going to be on apples. I'm Tim Armstrong with Eat Your Yard Jax, and we're going to talk about Israeli apples and growing apples in Northeast Florida. We're at my friend Paul's house, and if you'll remember, about a year or so ago we did a peach video here, and we walked by the apple tree at that time, but we didn't talk that much about the apples. We still got a few peaches holding on our peach trees, but let's go over the apple trees and talk about growing apples in North Florida. So and we sell the Ian Shimer, Anna and Dorset at our farm in North Florida at the Eat Your Yard Jax. We're going to walk over and look at the Dorset apple. Funny that the apples really look a lot alike. So this is the Dorset apple, and it is a little more less of a blush apple, more of a true green apple, or yellow apple. This one could ripe up just a little bit more. It is mid-May here in North Florida, so I would say by mid-June or beginning of June, these are going to be perfect, and I hope you'll join us on our next video.